What's up? Hey guys, what's up? And I'm gonna be playing Sims. You have signed up to my channel. My name is Mackenzie and I'm gonna be playing Sims for what? Okay, so the toddler aged up. We got Cinnamon pregnant again. And after that, I think we're gonna get rid of the two dogs. I think we're gonna get one of the dogs. I think we're gonna get rid of. Actually, no, we're gonna get rid of two of the dogs. We're just gonna keep Cinnamon. And yeah. I don't think we're gonna get any more dogs after that because I want them to have another kid because like only one kid is gonna be kind of boring. But yeah, okay, guys. Okay, I can't show you this, but it says this is Teddy. Teddy says hi. Teddy says clap your hands. Oops, Teddy died. Okay, sorry. Sorry. The camera's not being happy today. Gotta get that. Okay, sorry. The camera's on the charge, so like it's like pulling. It's like pulling it. So that's why. Alright, I'm just gonna make sure you guys can see. Okay. Alright, let's go. Alright, so since they're gonna have Alright, I'm gonna show you the fam bam. Oh, by the way, they moved. Alright, this is so this is Jaden, our child. I didn't film giving birth, so sorry. This is little Jaden. He is a cutie. He gets his black from his mama and his dada. Okay, so since Cinnamon was pregnant. Okay, she's pregnant. I got her pregnant again with Buster. Yes, Buster. But since she was pregnant in the past, this is their pup. This is their son, Kevin. Yes, this is their very son. I don't know why, but Peanut can't get pregnant. I don't know why, but Peanut can't get pregnant. I don't know why. Alright, we're just gonna. Alright, since Cinnamon is already pregnant, we're just gonna. I'm getting the dogs, all of them fixed, so this is not gonna be a problem. Even though we're getting rid of these guys. Okay, I think I'm just gonna get rid of them now. Bye, Buster. Alright, Buster is gone. And then Peanut gone. Remember, guys, you cannot redo that once you get rid of someone in the family. All right. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. So 6, 7, 8. We can have 3. Okay, maybe we can get one more dog. Yeah, one more. Okay. Okay, I know what dog I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna get another boy. I think I'm gonna get a boy. All right, so she Alright, so Cinnamon will have... Okay, I don't know how many okay, I hope Cinnamon has one puppy. Okay, we're not getting any more dogs unless they're like a stray. But I think I'm gonna get the mom pregnant again. So we can have like, cause like their household is kind of boring. Okay, so what I usually do with the families, if they have kids, then when they're like a teenager, I have them find true love, have them get married, and then when they're like young adults, I have them get married, have 2 kids, have 1 dog, live happily ever after. And I usually do it with every single family, so yeah. Alright, we're here. Alright. Oh, dang it. Dad's at work, so we can't get her pregnant. Okay. Dang it. God dang it. Gosh dang it. Where's Kevin? Kevin's probably in the room. Okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, the dogs have their okay, it's too dark. It's too dark in here. So what we're gonna do is we are just... Oh, I forgot the lamp to plug in the camera. Ugh. Ugh, that was stupid. Okay, whatever. So guys, this video is gonna be 10 minutes. I'm so sorry, but it can only be 10 minutes because I'm trying to limit off my screen time so I can practice Spanish. The camera is just getting on my nerves. Alright. Getting on my nerves. I'm being serious. Ugh. There. Hopefully that works. Hopefully. All right, Kevin is in the room. Cinnamon right there. Pregnant. Okay, I want to see if there are any... Okay, so this dog is already pregnant. Be friendly too. Wait, what? Blue? Where is Blue? Okay, be... Okay, we're not gonna bother Cinnamon. She's pregnant. We're just not gonna bother her. All right, does Mom have a job? Does Mama have a job? Okay, I think, did I get her a job? Okay, I think I did. Icons. All right. Okay. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna have them have, okay, wait, no needs at all. No, none. I'm like, none. 8. Fill needs household. And be like, boom! There we go. Okay. Sorry, I'm like, okay. I was just about to say, is there a computer? But like, obviously, there's a computer in a nice house. Okay, my chair is just being annoying. My chair is being ultra annoying. So. Okay, my chair keeps moving, and I don't want it to. Just like sit and stay. Freelancer, chat with client. Because that's the first thing you need to do. Oh, wait, I don't have my earplugs in, but it's fine. Let me get closer. Alright, she's good. Alright, she's chatting with her client. I don't think she really likes her client, but okay, she's happy. She's happy. She's so happy. She wants to clap her hand. She's like, ugh, hurry up, girl. Hurry up, lady. When is your fiance? When is your fiance gonna be here? Okay, we still got a long time. Wait, Mom, you're done? Okay, good. Mom's done. What are you gonna... No, you're not gonna watch him. You're gonna create an icon on a sketchpad. That's what you're gonna do. Freelancer, icon. Go. Lady. Come on. What happened? Oh, good boy, Jaden. You're on the potty. I think the last... Oh, it's over 10 minutes. Oh, my God. Okay, I'm upset with myself. So I don't want to put all my anger at you. But, okay, I'm sorry. I'm going to put all my anger at you. Peace.